Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful back handle. Well, now let's get started. For this project, I'm going to use polyester yarn, 2.75mm crochet hook and 2 lobster hook. As usual, a crochet project begins either with magic ring or slip knot. But for this one, I'm going to use slip knot. So firstly make slip knot followed by 7 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make a slip stitch in the first chain. The slip stitch is matched on the right loops, like this. Then you need to ensure that the total chains are 7. You need to count this because this is the important part of this project. After you're really sure that the chains are 7s, then start to make 1 single crochet in each chain stitch. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the last one, 7. Okay, now let's start to make the second or the next rows. These rows are typically spiral. You just need to make 1 single crochet in each loop. This single crochet is made on front loops only, like this. Make 1 single crochet firstly, then make the next single crochet on the next single loops or on the next front loops, these loops. Then go to the next single crochet, go to the next loops, then make 1 single crochet, next loops, 1 single crochet, next front loops, make 1 single crochet. You just need to repeat this stitch over and over again. Be sure that you just make 1 single crochet in the next 1 loops. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 1 loops, 1 single crochet again in the next 1 loop, this loop. Keep going. 1 single crochet in the next 1 loop. Keep repeating. You must be very careful to avoid making 2 single crochet in 1 loop. Be sure that 1 loop is filled by 1 single crochet. So you need to be very careful to make this. Okay, this is what it looks like. You just need to repeat this stitch over and over again until you arrive at the length you desire. Okay, now I'm just arriving at the length I desire. This is about 95 centimeters in length. It's long enough for a bag. This is what it looks like. But now I'm gonna end this project by making slip stitch on the next 2 stitches. The first slip stitch is made on the next 1 stitch and the last one is on the next 1 stitch. Okay, the 2 slip stitch are enough. Then I will cut the yarns When the pattern is complete, you need to make a little adjustment. You need to check the stitches you just created. Be sure that all stitches are made accordingly. Okay, now for the last part, you need to insert this handle into the lobster hook like this. Make it carefully. This is my very first experience in making this project. It's quite tough for me for the first time, but I'm okay with it then. Okay, now it's done. This is what I wanted since the beginning of the project. Let's say I need to do a little adjustment to make it look good. And don't forget to sew it like this. But if you don't want to sew it like this, you can stick them together using slip stitch. Okay, now this long back handle is ready. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Well everyone, I hope this pattern is useful for us. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Assalamualaikum.